Welcome back to after the unboxing, the pros and the cons. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the ankle boot, which is a Vegas horse bit, and I'll be discussing and reviewing the pros and the cons. So I'll be starting with the cons. The cons with this shoe is that it tends to wear in the bottom too fast. Wear, and it's not from excessive wearing, it's just that the bottom tends to wear too fast. Another thing I see is that it has, I know, even though it's a high top, it's a uppers, it's an ankle boot, it has too much crease. It creases too much. This shoe is like a couple years old and is not worn all the time, and for the time duration of the wear, it wrinkles too much. It's too much wrinkle, and you see all the wrinkle right here, and it tends to just be worn in a, like, out of shape, kind of, a little bit. The wear pattern on the heel is pretty fine, pretty okay. It wears evenly. It doesn't really say wear, you know. And normally you see some of these with this particular material, you see stuff breaking right at the edges right here. And so okay, so as I said, this is what the bottom originally looks like. You know, you're gonna expect wear, stuff, but this wears too way down too fast. I don't see any form of pulling in the back right here. We could say where the bees is, the stitching is intact, no frailing. At the side here you have the zipper. There's a zipper at the side right here that allows to zip up, and the zipper relatively zips up and down freely. There's no issue. The gold plated on the zipper is still in contact. It's not peeling, not flaking, not fading. The gold on the horse bit, it's still looks good. No fading, no flaking, no nothing. So that's another plus. That's and I don't see, like, if you wear the horse bit easy when you move it, it's not much of a fading in the leather. My issue is that it wrinkles too much. Wrinkles too much for a shoe. I mean, even though the uppers, it wrinkles too much. I don't see nothing where, like, the zip is pulling, and you see the zip. I'm gonna try to do it from this side. The zip, it pulls freely. You zip it up easily. So I would say, okay. So it's just that it wrinkles too much, and even though after wear and tear you're gonna expect that, but even though you have most shoes or boots, ankle boots, it doesn't really wrinkles this much, and it shows very high visible of wear of wrinkling. As I said, the bottom, it wears out easily, because this is, don't get me wrong, this is a fairly new shoes, even though I have it for years. Though much I wear it, though often I wear it, and based on the wear these shoes had gotten, it shouldn't be this wrinkled. And most of the ones I've seen, they always have the same issue with wrinkling. So today is just a little video of after the unboxing, what they look like now, and the pros and cons. And the cons I find is that it wrinkles too much, the bottom wears too fast, and that's it. The pros is that the hardwares are still in good condition, still standing, You know, the zipper, they hold up from the zipping up and down. And you know, most boots, the zippers tend to go, and especially down here. So the zippers, they stand up pretty well. So yeah, this is just after the unboxing, the pros and the cons. So the cons: wrinkles too fast, wrinkles too much, and the bottom wears too fast. The, the pros: the hardwares are still in great standing, good condition. I don't see no pulling off the stitchings. The hardware still holds the colors properly, and the zippers, they still, you know, function properly. So as always, thank you for watching my videos. Anything you see in my videos that you think might be inaccurate, that you don't like, please comment. Also, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, see you in the next video. Peace.